KwaLegend extra lessons tinowanika pa 1779 Kurobra North Phase 3 in Harare. For more information, fonera Legend pa namba dzinoti 0714 375 545 kana pa 0783 574 546. Thank you. Hello, this is Sir Daniel, and today we are going to learn about numbers. Maths. We are going to learn numbers, different types of numbers. Firstly, you need to know the different types of numbers before you start to study your mathematics, because mathematics, it is just the game of numbers. So firstly, we have what we call real numbers. Real numbers, ndoma numbers acho ese, or any number is a real number. So we can just say a real number is any number which can be represented by any point on a number line. Any point, any number that can be represented by any point on a number line is called a real number. So the real numbers are divided into two groups, which are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. We have real numbers. We have real numbers, and then after that, real numbers are divided into two groups. Real numbers are divided into two groups, which are rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. What are rational and irrational numbers? Rational numbers. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a ratio in the form q divided by p, kana kuti q divided by p, where p and q are integers. What we are saying there is very, very simple. We are just saying a rational number is any fraction. Any fraction is a rational number. Any fraction is a rational number. Any number that can be expressed in the form p over q, where p and q are integers, is a rational number. And now let's take a look on irrational numbers. An irrational number is a real number which cannot be expressed in the form p divided by q, kana kuti p over q. So what you are trying to say is very simple there. A rational number is any fraction, for example half. For example, half, e.g. 1 over 2 is a rational number. Irrational number is any number that cannot be expressed as a fraction. For example, the square root of 2 or pi. The value of pi does not expressed as a fraction. So it means it is an irrational number. And then after that, irrational numbers are then divided into two different groups again, which are rational numbers are then divided into two different groups again, which are fractions and integers. Alright, they are now divided into two groups, which are integers and fractions. We all know the fractions, we all know the integers, and then on integers we do have three groups of integers, which are positive integers, and panapa we have 0 is an integer, and then here we do have negative integers. So this is a table which is summarizing the different types of numbers. Firstly, we do have real numbers. Any real number is a real number. Rational numbers is any fraction is a rational number. And then integers are also rational numbers. But irrational numbers are those numbers that cannot be expressed as fractions. For example, the square root of 2 or the square root of 105. Those numbers panja square root of 2. For example, panja square root of 2. Inozara calculator yese. Kana ukapanja the value of pi, inozara calculator yese. Or even when you Google the value of pi, inozara even screen yese. So that value, we call it any irrational number. We call it an irrational number. And then rational numbers, we have fractions and integers. And then integers, any whole number is an integer. In fact, any whole number is an integer. We have positive integers, negative integers, and zero. Zero is also an integer. KwaLegend extra lessons tinowanika pa 1779 Kurobra North Phase 3 in Harare. For more information, fonera Legend pa namba dzinoti 0714 375 545 kana pa 0783 574 546. Thank you.